Hello and welcome to FromTo Platform. I am very pleased to have you here with us today. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guidance on how you can register in our platform. So the first thing that I would need you to do is go to our URL, which is from-to.com. Okay, once you do that, this page will pop up. Before we start with the registration process, I would highly recommend you that you bookmark our page. You can do that if you're using Google Chrome by clicking on this star and click on done. Then you can find our website over here. For easier access, you can just click on that and this page will pop up again. Okay, so let's start with the registration process. You will need to click on the sign up, then register now. Now these are the steps that I would need you to follow in order to successfully register on our website. Now, for today's example, we are gonna use Salad Corner as our example. Okay, so we are in the food industry. So when you are selecting a vehicle, that means what vehicle you would like to come and pick up your package. Okay, so is it a bike, a refrigerated car, or a regular car? You will be able, once you are doing the booking process in the next step, you will be able to change that. So you can click on anything right now, and once you are doing the booking process, you can change that. So no problem at all. Okay, now when you are putting on your address, this address is working through Google Maps. So it's just like Google Maps. What you will need is type in the name of your shop and it should appear. Okay, now let's say for example your shop is in Avenues Phase 4. You can click on Avenues Phase 4 and there you go. You can find it easily. Okay, in this example we're gonna use Salad Corner. Okay, then you're gonna put your email that you are gonna use when signing up or signing in our website. Okay, then the phone number is very crucial. The phone number is gonna be used by the drivers, so I would recommend that you put a phone number that is in your shop or the branch manager or someone who will be in the shop daily, so that the drivers could contact them if needed. Okay, and lastly you will put your password. So once you do that, you will receive a verification email that has been sent to your email ID. This is how it's gonna look like. You can click on activate and you are ready to start booking drivers. Thank you.